Hi everyone, welcome to Na's Kitchen. I hope you're all doing well. Before I start off anything, I just want to say thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, for commenting, for liking, and for always sharing my videos. Today I'm going to make some juices for you. We're going to juice some fruit and vegetables 3 different ways. So before we start off anything, we have to go in with the ingredients. I have here green apples. I have 3 green apples here cut up. I have 2 small sizes of beets, and I have 4 carrots cut up as well. So let's just get started. So let's start juicing right now. We're going to turn our juicer on, and I'll start off with my carrots. Our second juice is a skin glow juice. I have here 4 carrots. I have 1 apple, 1 cucumber, and half a cup of parsley. Let's start juicing. So with our juicer on, we're going to start with our carrots. We're done here for our skin glow juice. Today I have on the menu an immuno boost juice. We're going to juice some fruits here to boost our immune system. So let's just get into the ingredients because it's going to be a quick one. I have here 4 whole oranges, seedless oranges. I have here 1 whole lemon, and I have about 300 grams of ginger. I also have on the side 2 chili peppers. If you do not want to use this, you can just use a pinch of cayenne pepper, and that should work out fine. So let's just get started with our juice.